Hi, I'm Becky Park, broker-owner of Peninsula Realty, Inc. Today, I would like to introduce you to 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1518 square foot home on a 6,208 square foot lot here in South Torrance. Come, have a look with me. Step into the open living room where a brick gas fireplace creates a cozy ambience. Wood flooring throughout enhances the home's practicality and ease of maintenance. Stay comfortable year-round with the central AC, perfect for those sweltering Southern California days. Large glass sliding door opens to a spacious backyard, offering fun-filled outdoor space complete with the swing sets and a zip line. The kitchen is both functional and practical, featuring a stainless steel range and hood, granite countertops, glass cabinets over charming breakfast nook, and 2 windows overlooking a corner. Adjacent, the dining room with beam ceiling adds warmth and character. The primary bedroom features an ensuite bathroom with a shower. Two additional bedrooms provide flexibility for occupants, guests, or a home office. The hallway bathroom includes a glass enclosed bath. The detached garage, featuring 2 glass sliding doors, offers exciting ADU potential, whether for additional living space or rental income. Located within the boundaries of award-winning Seaside Elementary, Calle Mayor Middle School, and South High Schools, this home is an exceptional opportunity in a fantastic location. If you would like more information or view this property in person, feel free to reach out. My information is below.